we are the full service solution for all things digital ordering.
We're here at Restaurant Bar Tech Live at the Excel in London, and we've brought one of our best customers, hot and juicy shrimp. We've been able to support them with online ordering, so we've built a fully branded website. They've also recently launched an app with us. They've been running some really popular pop-ups across London, and they use our digital QR code ordering to support them through that as well.
It's amazing to have such a good brand on the stand supporting us and providing amazing food.
So our customers have white label websites and apps. This allows them to truly convey their brand to their customers and encourage those orders to come direct. In the back end in our portal, our customers can dive deep into the data on all of their customers. We're seeing a big shift towards QR code table ordering, but also some of the kiosks that we're putting in stores now. And these are really important because drastically reduce the number of staff that you need in store, having you reduce costs, but also the average order value when ordering via a kiosk or a QR code massively increases.
Hot and Juicy Shrimp was started in 2019. So the reason why we started was because we just wanted to create good food. Flipdish have been really supportive in terms of like our marketing, the devices. They've streamlined our whole ordering process. I like to call it foolproof, so anyone can order without complications. They've obviously given us this great opportunity. They're going to help us with our PR. The guy who signed us up, Michael, he's going to be talking me through the delivery solutions that Flipdish can provide. So there's so many things. I'm sure things that aren't actually in their job description, but they're doing it anyway. We're loving it.